So this is what we call two-sided flex bags. So people, once you fix the handle just neatly like this, the next thing is welcome to my channel, welcome to Taron Innovative World. Subscribe to my channel, sign up for the membership. Also, we have a Telegram class where you will be taught bag business, how to make bags, sophisticated bags and simple bags on our Telegram training platform. And also, if you are a paid student, you have access to Taron Innovative World to put you through the business. You have free access to be asking questions on how many this, how many that, what drop a thumbs up button there, like click on the like button, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, join the membership, join Taron Innovative Work community to learn launch bags in the most simplest way that you will grab and understand. School bags, cutting. That is, when you join the membership, you are paying to YouTube and you have access to those videos. And if you want to join my Telegram class, you can join. That one is once in a lifetime. So chat me up on 080-365-88365. That one you pay once in a lifetime. Yeah, and joining membership, it's a monthly thing. Although it's a very little amount, but it's just a monthly support to the channel. Shout out to all our subscribers, especially those that have been here with us since the inception of this channel. Also, you can join my Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. My name is Ruth Olayemi Olaleru, where I drop insightful, motivational and inspirational write-ups about life. Ruth Olayemi Olaleru, that is my name. Yeah, so some of you are surprised that is she Yoruba? Yes, I am. I was seeing very Yoruba. I am in and out. So you can follow me there, Ruth Olayemi Olaleru, on my Facebook. I drop inspiring write-ups there. Also, you can follow our business page on Facebook, Taron Innovative World. And also, we have another group, okay, on Facebook where other bag makers meet themselves. It's called Bag Makers World. Yeah, Bag Makers World on Facebook. You follow the group. We also have a page called Bag Makers World. You can also follow that also. So people, to join my Telegram class, I've always said it that in life you need to make some sacrifices. Yeah, you need somebody to hold your hands to be able. You see some people come and be asking questions, and let me tell you the truth, everybody needs support. Yes, everybody needs support. When you pay the little token a code tells you to pay, it's not as if you can really pay the person, but the person just wants to see those people that are really supportive of his or her brand. So people, making bag is simple. So I'm making this bag for this beautiful young damsel. For those asking of my location, if you want to come for our physical training, I'm located in Plateau State, Jos North, Jos Central. Okay, and if you're far away, I've trained thousands of students online and they are making it today. Most of them send me pictures of what they are doing and they pray for me. So you can also be part of our online students. Yes, we have trained thousands of people and they are making it today. So distance is never a barrier. But if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Jos Plateau State, you can take the advantage of coming for physical training. So if you have any question concerning this tutorial, you can drop it in the comment section. Do not forget to like by clicking the thumbs up button. Click the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to this wonderful channel. So people, thank you. Let me just do this. So we are making this. I just say let me show you. So these are the bags.